Hello, I want a ticket for boat ride. How much?
20.
So this ticket includes what?
Viewing point entrance.
Just viewing point only?
Hey guys, hope you're right. Welcome to my new video. The stunning rainfalls are located on the border between Zurich and Schaffhausen. The Rainfalls in Switzerland is the biggest waterfall in Europe by volume.
Oh my god!
Because pictures don't do it justice, I put it together this guide to experience it up close and personal. Whether you want to visit the rainfalls from Zurich or anywhere else in Europe, you'll find all information you need right here. With 150 meters wide and 23 meters high, the Rainfalls in Switzerland are the largest waterfall in Europe. It's about 45 minutes of journey from Zurich. If you're coming for Switzerland trip, do not miss this opportunity to see brilliant and the most powerful waterfall in Europe. Summer is the best time of the year to visit the rainfalls with an average water flow of 600 cubic meters per second. There are basically three vantage points for this rainfall: Belvedere, Fishnet and Kanzli. This is Belvedere vantage point, which offers a magnificent view over the entire rainfalls. From here, you can marvel at the dimensions of this natural spectacle. Only the Belvedere point can reach out without having to climb steps and is therefore accessible with wheelchair and strollers. We took the stairs to all three viewing platforms. The cascading water comes incredibly close to the viewing platforms depending upon the time of the year and the rate of flow. There are around 4 different boat tours that you can choose for a truly exhilarating experience. These boats will take you right next to the fall, where you can truly feel the might of water gushing down. One more beautiful point. If you want to get closer to the force of nature, go through a small cave and come out to the Fishnet viewpoint. Here you can touch the largest waterfall in Europe. Here you can feel how everything is shaking and the spray sometimes makes it almost impossible to see. You almost cannot hear your own words anymore, only the loud roar of rushing water. It's one of the moments where you can feel pretty unimportant and small on this planet. Just breathtaking. Now I am going to the Kanzli vantage point a few more steps down. This vantage point platform juts out into the raging waterfall, which gives you a breathtaking view of rainfalls. The Kanzli observation platform is the most spectacular view that was built directly beside the rushing water. At this point, I can say it's one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Europe. If you are Otherline junkie, be at this vantage point. Simply marvel. Can you even feel the extreme force of water? I can feel. Take care of yourself, young ones and the older ones, because one mistake, there's no escaping from the departure of life. I wonder what kept Kanzli platform from being washed away. Scary but marvelous. It's an absolutely breathtaking spot. The rushing, foaming water is incredible to watch. I usually spend a long time on this platform taking pictures or relaxing on benches. Even if you feel that you will fall immediately into the waterfall. If watching the rainfalls from the riverbank isn't good enough for you, you can choose from 4 different boat rides for a more exhilarating experience. We took the short 15 minutes round trip that gets as close to as possible to the falls. We need to take the boat number 4 blue line on the other side.
Chalo, let's go. Let's go. We go in a boat.
This is our boat to get extremely near to the waterfall. With this boat ride, you can experience the fascination of this natural spectacle in a short round trip. The Rainfalls boat rides are color coded to make your choice easier. Yellow Rock Tour. Stop at Rainfall Felsen, where you can get off and climb on the top of rock. Red Ferry to Lafesen Castle. Faster way to cross the river if you want to see the falls from both sides. Blue Boat, 15-minute round trip. Short boat ride in the rainfall basin, get close to the spray. Pink Boat, 30 minutes with an audio tour, listening to the interesting facts. The tour is guided by experienced boatmen who will take you safely as close as possible to the mighty waters of the Rainfalls. You will get to know the Rainfalls basin and the experience of power of water in the picturesque landscape. When the boat approaches the strong current of the falls, they bounce back. And this is what makes the tours such a fun experience.
अरे आप ही लोग का फोटो ले पड़ा हूँ मैं तो कब से।
अच्छा तो मेरे को मैं सेल्फी ले लेती हूँ। देखो देख
अरे माँ किधर अरे don't go near. अरे मामा धीरे धीरे ये दादा अभी सब नहीं जाएगा ये नहीं घुमाएगा
बेटा गिर जाएगा आ जाओ ऐसे वही लेके जाएगा क्या
हाँ अरे ये क्या है ये रेस्टोरेंट यार है ना जाएंगे क्या चलो ले लो
Scary and very thrilling. I must say, the boat ride is absolutely amazing. Now we are heading back to the bay. There are numerous cafes and restaurants around this waterfall. Also, souvenir shops to buy for your loved ones. After a boat ride, there are other activities you can do like hiking and walking along this beautiful castle. Also, you can take ride of mini train which gives you a round journey of this town and the beautiful place.
Rechts sei dann der Rhein derart zugefroren gewesen, dass man die gleiche Stelle übers Eis erreicht habe.
पुढे हां 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 वाह वाह
During summer, it is recommended that you visit rainfall in the months of May and June for the best experience, as it is during this time that the water is at its peak. This adds to its magnificence, creating an incredible view for the visitors. However, if you choose to visit between months of April and October, you can indulge into boat trips, which is the one of the best way to enjoy waterfall. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more beautiful destinations like this. Thanks for watching.